Hi, good day. Guys, for today's moment, let us bear with us. Samahan niyo kami how to witness our special day, celebrating our love, and all together we'll enter now into the cruise ship on the way to Subic dahil mag-celebrate kami ng aming mga special day together with other joiners. We're celebrating also their special day like weddings, anniversaries, and birthdays. So let us come up and witness the beautiful spot here inside the cruise. So the first side, dito ako nag-calm down sa pinaka-intimate spacious nila yung kanilang living room area. Then na-try ko rin dito mag-unwind, and then nag-step up din tayo sa other part ng cruise ship kung saan punta tayo dito sa pinaka-corner ng cruise na mala Titanic ang kanyang datingan.
Looking back as lovers go walking past all of my life, wondering how they met and what makes it last. If I found the
And
place,
as you can see, very enjoy kami witnessing paglubog ng sunset. Kasi after nga namin ma-witness lahat ng yan, naka-ready at naka-prepare ng aming dinner, sunset kiss for our all-together dinner night. So, on the way na nga kami dyan sa all over the Subic area. Inaantay na lang namin ang paglubog ng sunset, and reminiscence namin ang aming sweet moment together. Yan, at we will forever cherish this time kasi pwede na rin siya ma-include sa ating anniversary moment together.
I think we're gonna need some time. Maybe all we need is time. And it's telling me
So, here we are sa aming dinner cruise sunset dahil prepared na kami lahat to celebrate our special day. Mag-dinner na nga kami dyan at very timely dahil meron tayong mga joiners na kasabay. Iba ay nag-celebrate ng kanilang anniversary, birthdays as husband and wife, as partners. At ito nga yung aming celebration ng aming foods and the flowers and other sweet time together. So let us watch all the other ambience in a nice spot here. Each and every one as couple were very relaxed and very sweet and enjoy seeing the beautiful sunset around us. So let us
and I'm feeling it'll just all of my life.
So that's all for tonight. Yes, on behalf of all the joiners and all the Blanca staff, thank you very much for accommodating us. And I hope everyone will enjoy their special moment together and the beautiful experiences that we had. Until next time, we will forever grateful and forever cherish for the beautiful moments together. On behalf of all of us, thank you very much. Again, bye for now, and we'll see you again soon. Until here, bye!
All of my